What is happening, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to completely disable the traction control in your 2019 and up Ram 1500s. Now, you do have a traction control button, which when you push, it lights that, traction off. So that'll let you spin the tires. But if you're trying to actually intentionally get sideways, it's going to stop you once the back end slides out a little bit. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. Basically, I'm just going to get going and then hard left towards the curb, and it should save me. So see what happens here when we get past the sign. See it? I mean, I did let off, but it will cut throttle and apply brakes to the wheel, you know, that needs to slow you down. So it'll only let you get so sideways. So if you're actually trying to drift, it's going to be frustrating because you won't be able to, even with the traction quote unquote off. Here, I'll give you another example. I don't know if you can hear that. That's ABS kicking in. That time I barely counter steered at all. It kicked the back end straight back behind me. So what I'm gonna do is pull over here and show you what to do. Now, I did the same trick on my 2012 Ram, but I could not find, so what you need to do is pull the ABS fuse essentially, and I could not find the fuse diagram, or I found the fuse diagram, it's on the inside of the fuse box, but I could not find the ABS fuse. I did not see one labeled ABS. So did some searching, and I found on 5thgenram.com a user by the name of Laramie or Laramie, not sure, big R in the name. Shout out to them. They mentioned the F26 fuse, which I will show you is not even labeled ABS, it's something else, but we're gonna pull over here and I will show you what to do next. And then we're going to pinch the tab here and here to remove your fuse box cover. And if you'll look, F26 is mod ESP, which whatever that means. It's this 50 amp right here, closest to the 20. So if we pull it, don't lose it. Now, this fuse powers everything traction control and ABS related. So you can see the traction lights on, the parking lights on, the ABS. So none of those systems are gonna work. So just keep that in mind. Your ABS is not gonna work if you're in, you know, snow or something like I am. Don't come barreling up on a car hotter than normal. But so now, you can't, nothing even happens when you hit this because it's already malfunctioning as far as the computer is concerned. So now I'm going to find another spot here and show you that you can actually get the back end out better now, and nothing will kick in. It's all you. You are the next Ken Block. Now, it is worth a mention that they claim in 4 low traction is completely disabled too. I already trudged through there once, can you tell? Wheels are packed with snow, but yeah, they claim in 4 low there's no traction control either, which that doesn't do you a whole lot of good unless you're trying to do 4-wheel drive drifting. If you're trying to keep her in 2-wheel, does you no good. You will have to pull this fuse. Alright, there, as you can see, you could hear it didn't cut the throttle out at all. I can swing the back end out as much as I want, really. I mean, obviously I don't want to lose it and go into a snowbank here, but anyway, yeah, so that's how you do it. Obviously you'll put the fuse back in when you want to go back to normal and actually have functioning electronics. Alright, so here we are putting the fuse back in. As you can see here, it doesn't really matter which way it goes. Remember, it goes next to this other 50. Push it on there. Line up your cover. Make sure it clicks in on both spots. Gently shut the hood. Now, uh-oh, all the lights are still on. Not to fear. Shut the truck off. Fire it back up. And we're back to normal. Now, I guess I would recommend just shutting the truck off to pull and reinstall the fuse, just in case. You know, the modern day electronics can get pretty finicky. If the truck's running or on or whatever and you pull it, who knows, 1 in 100 might have a problem and all of a sudden your truck's messed up. So I would recommend shutting the truck off, pull the fuse, shut it off when you put the fuse back in. But anyway, hope this video was helpful. Sorry I rambled on a little longer than I had to. Just wanted to give credit where it was due and make sure everybody understood everything clearly and knew how to, you know, the reset procedure back to factory. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.